Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. Vietnam's currency, the Vietnamese dong, VND, has been experiencing a gradual depreciation against the US dollar due to a combination of global and domestic factors. One of the primary reasons behind this trend is the persistent strengthening of the US dollar in global markets. When the dollar gains strength, it exerts downward pressure on other currencies, including the VND. This is because many countries, including Vietnam, have significant trade and financial ties with the United States. The dollar's appreciation is often driven by robust U.S. economic data, higher interest rates, or safe haven demand during global economic uncertainty. These dynamics make the US dollar more attractive to investors, leading to increased demand for the currency and putting downward pressure on other currencies in comparison. Interest rate differentials between Vietnam and the United States also play a critical role in the VND's depreciation. The State Bank of Vietnam, the country's central bank, has consistently maintained lower interest rates to stimulate economic growth and support domestic businesses. While this policy is beneficial for economic development, it can widen the gap between Vietnam's interest rates and those of the United States. This outflow of capital from Vietnam and other emerging markets contributes to the weakening of their currencies relative to the US dollar. Inflationary pressures within Vietnam have also contributed to the depreciation of the VND. When domestic inflation rises, the purchasing power of the local currency erodes. This can make Vietnamese goods and services more expensive relative to those of trading partners, potentially reducing export competitiveness. Higher inflation also leads to an increase in import costs, further straining the trade balance. Over time, persistent inflation can undermine confidence in the currency, prompting businesses and individuals to hold more stable foreign currencies like the US dollar. This shift in preference adds further downward pressure on the VND. Speculative activities in the currency market can exacerbate the volatility of the VND. Currency speculation occurs when traders and investors anticipate future movements in exchange rates and act accordingly. If market participants expect the VND to weaken further, they may engage in currency hoarding or shift their holdings to dollars, accelerating the depreciation process. Speculative behavior can create self-fulfilling prophecies, as widespread expectations of a weaker VND can lead to actions that contribute to its decline. Additionally, speculative pressures can destabilize the market, causing sharp and sudden fluctuations in exchange rates that make it difficult for businesses and policymakers to plan effectively. Trade and investment flows are critical for Iraq as well. As an oil-dependent economy, fluctuations in global oil prices and export revenues can directly impact the IQD. A decline in oil prices, for instance, can reduce Iraq's foreign currency reserves, weakening the IQD. Inflationary pressures and domestic economic conditions further shape the purchasing power of the IQD, while speculative activities in the currency market can amplify its volatility. These shared dynamics highlight how global and domestic economic factors collectively shape currency valuations in Vietnam, Iraq, and other economies, emphasizing the interconnectedness of the global financial system. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.